it was heavy coming up.
Primer still looks fine. That's what I understand.
We don't want to do another one through there, do we?
No, you got ejector swipe.
I know it.
Okay guys, you can see as the previous video that we hit pressure sign using reloader 26 on this 65 PRC. And the published max in the Hornady manual is 55.7 grain, and I had no signs of pressure. And usually your manuals are pretty conservative, but Barnes had warned me about the PRC. And I loaded up 8 at 56.2, which is half a grain more than the Hornady's manual's max of 55.2. Just half a grain, 0.5. And then we hit pressure. And I loaded 6 at 56.7, which is a full grain, and didn't dare shoot those with the amount of video. We hit pressure sign. We had an ejector swipe. So anyways, now we have to pull 25 rounds. And I was going to make a short video on how to do that. So you want to take this collar that's held in place with this little tiny rubber band thingy, and you want to push it up to there. Okay. Then you're going to take your hammer and you drop it in there, just like so. And then you take this end cap, and the PRC barely fits in here. I've pulled hundreds of rounds in 25-06 and never had the problem I did with this PRC. Now we have to go find us a big block of wood. I really hate hitting plastic on concrete. I know a lot of people do it, but I'm just afraid I'm going to shatter that plastic.
Okay guys, what I do is I take me a hammer, and I take me a block of wood. And by the time I'm done, this block of wood is probably going to be splintered, broken, everything else. And it usually takes about 3 really good swipes. And you got to hit it really hard. There it goes.
So then you just take your hammer, undo it, pour the powder out in a container, make sure it all comes out, and be careful or it goes everywhere. And there's one way it slides in and out, just like that. Okay, I got 25 more to do.